Hello everyone, my name is Anita. My teammates are Harshavardhan, Prishant and Murthy Krishna. We are from BVRT College, Narsapur, from CSE department. I along with my teammates created a web page for sorting evaluation. Here we will explore bubble sort. It is a basic sorting algorithm. It repeatedly compares adjacent elements in a list and swaps them if they are in wrong order, continuing until the list is sorted. Next, my friends will explain the programming part behind this web page.
Everyone, my name is Vishal, and today I'm going to explain you the HTML code in the bubble suite. As you can see, the code is divided into two parts, the head part and the body. And in the head part, we have used the title tag to name the web page for bubble sort and link the current HTML file with an CSS file. And in the body, we have given an input array which takes the input of the array elements and sends them to the JavaScript file. And we have created two buttons, one for sorting and another one for reset. When we click the sort button, we'll get a text naming sorted arrays, and if we reset the array, then the element will be cleared from the input.
Hello everyone, this is Rishant. Today I am going to explain the CSS part of the bubble sort. This CSS code styles the web page for the bubble sort visualization. It sets the body font to Arial, centers the text, and applies a light gray background color. The input field features padding for comfort, a fixed width and margin for spacing, while the sort button is designed with padding, a blue background color, while the layout utilizes flexbox for input container, aligning elements vertically. The array display centers the visual representation of the sorted bars. Each bar representing the number in the array is styled with a fixed width, appropriate margin for spacing, and blue background, ensuring a cohesive, user-friendly design for the sorting visualization. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Murli Krishna. Today I am explaining about the bubble sort using JavaScript. This JavaScript code implements the bubble sort algorithm with a visual representation of the sorting process. The bubble sort function retrieves user input, splits it into an array of numbers, and initializes the sorting loop. Uh, the sort step function compares adjacent elements, swapping them if they are out of order, and updates the display after each pass. The display array function creates vertical bars based on the numbers values, allowing users to observe the sorting changes. Additionally, the sorting changes the reset input function clears the input field and the displayed array for a fresh start. Overall, this code combines sorting logic with visual feedback to enhance understanding of the bubble sort algorithm. Thank you.
Now we are going to execute this code. Now running this code, start debugging. Now enter the number separated by commas 3, 5, 7, 4, and 1. Now we are going to sort these numbers. Now the output is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. So it is working successfully. Thank you.